New moon ritual is back. Today we are diving into the transformative energy of this new moon in Sagittarius happening on December 1st, 2024, which is the last new moon of this year. Like always, I will first explain the energy of this new moon before talking about the ritual, so stay tuned. Atma Namaste everyone, I am Kanika Batra and welcome back to my channel Hamsa Path. This new moon occurs in the adventurous and optimistic fire sign of Sagittarius, a sign known for its love of expansion, exploration and truth seeking. Sagittarius inspires us to dream big, step out of our comfort zones and embrace the freedom to grow and evolve. This is a wonderful time to set intentions that align with your higher purpose, long-term goals and personal growth. As we move closer to the end of the year, the Sagittarius new moon invites us to reflect on the journey so far while envisioning the road ahead. It is a time to pause, recalibrate and set intentions that will guide you into the new year with clarity and optimism. Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter, the planet of expansion, abundance and wisdom, supports you in expanding your horizons and taking bold steps towards your dreams. Coming to the ritual, what you will need: a journal or paper and pen, a candle preferably in a warm color like orange or yellow, a small item that represents travel, learning or adventure. This is optional. So for example, for travel it could be a fridge magnet of another country or picture of a place you want to visit. For learning it could be a book that you want to read and so on. You'll also need incense or essential oils for grounding such as frankincense or sandalwood. Now what you need to do. So firstly, create a sacred space. Begin by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Light your candle and incense and prepare this space for reflection and intention setting. Take a few deep breaths to ground yourself in the present moment. Secondly, gratitude and reflection. So before setting new intentions, take a moment to reflect on the past lunar cycle. Write down what you are grateful for, what lessons you have learned and any milestones that you have achieved. Sagittarius energy encourages optimism and gratitude. So embrace this energy, this opportunity to honor your growth. Next comes intention setting. So dream big. On a piece of paper or in your journal, write down your intentions. Ask yourself, what new experiences or opportunities do I want to invite into my life? How can I expand my knowledge, skills or perspectives? And what limiting beliefs or fears am I ready to release? Be bold and authentic in your intentions, because Sagittarius thrives on truth and vision. As you write, imagine your dreams already coming true. Then comes visualization and affirmation. Close your eyes and visualize your intentions manifesting. See yourself living your dream and embodying the energy of expansion and freedom. Say aloud or to yourself, I am open to new opportunities, guided by my truth and supported by the universe in all my endeavors. Now take the object symbolizing travel or learning or adventure in your hands and repeat the affirmation. Then we come down to meditation and journaling. Spend a few minutes meditating on the energy of this Sagittarius new moon. Allow thoughts or insights to flow naturally. Afterwards, write down any guidance or inspirations that come to you in this time. For the closing ritual, blow out the candle and incense with gratitude. And if you wish to keep your written intention somewhere, you can keep it so that you can revisit it during the next lunar cycle. Now some tips for this lunar cycle. Stay open to the opportunities for learning and growth even if they feel unexpected. Consider starting a project or journey that aligns with your intentions. And also embrace a spirit of curiosity and adventure in your life. Now, when to perform this ritual? The new moon energy will be strongest on December 1st, so performing the ritual on this day would be ideal. If you need more time, the energy remains potent for the following day, so you can even do it the next day, which is 2nd December. Now, as we step into this lunar cycle, may the adventurous energy of Sagittarius inspire you to dream big, embrace growth, and live with bold authenticity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comment section below. Wishing you a magical new moon and a transformative journey ahead. Until next time, keep shining your light and walking the Hamsa path. Atma Namaste.